Good morning, dear students. Class 2, Subject Conversation. Open your Gentle Conversation book. Open page number 40, chapter number 16, Speaking English. Students, get ready with your Gentle Conversation book. Open page number 4040, chapter number 16, Speaking English. Okay, the name of the chapter is Speaking English. How we speak English. Okay, presume you are Jasmine and your father is giving you a few tips on spoken English. So in this chapter you have to assume yourself as Jasmine and your father is giving you tips that how can you improve your spoken English. So let us start. Jasmine: Father, I can write English very well, but I can't speak it properly. Now, here, Jasmine means you are having one problem, that you can't speak English properly, but you can write it very well. Father: Oh, that is because of hesitation. Now, Jasmine father is saying that this is due to your hesitation, means your nervousness. Jasmine: What should I do? Now Jasmine is asking that how can I improve myself? Father says, well, to be a good speaker means a person who can speaks. One needs a good exposure to speaking English, spoken English. Okay, now his father is saying that to be a good speaker, you need a good exposure. Means you need to read many things so that you can learn how to speak English and you can remove your hesitation. Jasmine: For that, we should make it a point to listen to spoken English. That's what my madam tells all of us. Now, here also, Jasmine understood his father's point and says that her ma'am also says her to listen to spoken English so that it can help her in improving her spoken English. Father: Yes, she is right. And Jasmine's father agrees with Jasmine's ma'am. You should pay special attention to the stress and pause. Now, here, father is adding one more thing, that you should pay special attention, means you should give more focus to the things where to stress and where to pause, means how you are supposed to speak, where you have to wait and where you have to speak in continuation. Jasmine: I do listen to my English teacher with full attention. Now, here Jasmine says that I listen to my English teacher with full attention so that I can learn how to improve myself. Father: That's good. Secondly, you shouldn't hesitate to speak English. Now, his father is also saying that you should not be nervous in speaking English. Jasmine: Father, I have a problem in deciding when to pronounce CSS and when to pronounce it like K. Now, Jasmine is telling her father that she is having problem where to pronounce CSS and where to pronounce CSK. Father: Well, that's not difficult at all. Now, Jasmine father says that it is not tough at all. Jasmine: How? I find it very difficult. Now, look at the two words circle and canal. Now, Jasmine is saying that how can you say, father, that it is not difficult? And she is saying that look at the two words circle and canal. Here, circle, S sound is coming, circle, sa sound, and in canal, K sound is coming, that is ka sound. Father: See, Jasmine, there's a simple rule that applies in a situation. Now, her father is telling her one rule that is applied in such types of situations. Jasmine: What is it? Please tell me. Now, Jasmine is eager to know about this rule and she is asking his father that please tell me. All of you come to page number 41. Father: Remember to pronounce C as sa whenever it is followed by I, E, or Y. Now, Jasmine's father is telling her that we pronounce C as sa or S when it is followed by the letters I, E, or Y. Okay, and C is pronounced as K or K. K in all other situation, and in rest of the case we pronounce C as K. The phonic sound of K is K and phonic sound of S is S. Okay, Jasmine, should I check it? Now Jasmine is eager to check whether this rule is correct or not. Father, yes, try it out right now. Think of a few words having C. Now father is asking Jasmine that you have to think few words that are starting with letter C. Jasmine, well, cycle. Now students, here C is followed by Y. So C will be pronounced as S. Okay, cycle. Phonic sound of S, I am telling you S. And it is followed by letter Y, so it will be pronounced as cycle. Father, now examine the word cylinder and close. Now father has given two words to Jasmine, that is cylinder and close. Jasmine, in cylinder, C is again followed by Y. So it should be pronounced as letter S, cylinder. Okay, father, and C of close? Jasmine, since C here is not followed by any of the letters I, E, and Y, it will be pronounced as K. Close. Father, now you understand it fully? Now father is saying, now you have understood this concept. Please try it with a few more words. And he is telling her daughter that you try with other words also. Okay, Jasmine, yes father, I will do. Thank you. Now here Jasmine says that she will try this rule with other words also, and she is thanking her father for telling this rule. So students, this was all there in chapter number 16. You have to go through this chapter on your own. Homework, read chapter 16 from your Gentle Conversation book. Thank you.